everyone. This is Joshua, CEO of SEODesignLab. And today, guys, I'm kind of just going to show you what some of our back-end processes look like when we manage our customers and manage our team. So we like to use a thing called Trello. And when you subscribe with us or order a website with us, you will get access to this for totally free. And this allows not only you as a customer or the SEO agency doing the work, basically to showcase each step that you do for a client. A lot of the complaints that we get from customers is that their team that they have right now is just not being transparent. They are unable to actually even see what's being done, let alone getting communication. Getting no communication is one thing, but how about also not being able to see anything being done? So we like to use Trello and invite our customers for free to see our actual workflows within our business. So we set it up where we have like website plans, we have for a particular developer, which is our head developer here. Then we have like to do, pending, blocked, review, done. You get the idea. So as these tasks get worked on, you can move them through here. So like what I like to do is if I'm placing tasks or one of our customers, they'll drop it into do. And then once somebody starts working on it, generally, it should be in the pending tag. And then once one of us reviews or like whatever, we can make some comments, make some edits in it, and then we would move it to review. Then our developers would get it again, and then probably move it back to pending, so that way they would know that we should be looking at the edits that they made. And then one last time, we would step in and probably move this to like done or something. But the point is let's say you got tagged on a new task that your developer did for you or something like that. So we can click into this, and what's cool about Trello is it breaks down the entire job that you need done from your Shopify experts or your WordPress experts, your team essentially. And what is also cool is, again, we can invite our customers in here. So our customers can actually see page by page, product by product, the entire process, our thought process, all these things. And now they actually feel like they're involved and work is actually getting done. And this is huge for obviously retention, things like that. Okay. And then testimonials as well. So right here, I noticed that I wanted to get this toothpaste page updated. Two things I've like really three things I've noticed is this part right here needs to get edited, but I kind of made some mistakes in my notes, so that didn't get changed the first time. This heading right here is a H3, which SEOs know that this should immediately be an H1. And basically we have simply silver cinnamon toothpaste. For SEO, we probably just want this to say cinnamon toothpaste. So we put in for these two updates, new title and fix the heading. And then up here in the URL, we have this issue of Simply Silver, where it should be just a clean URL, Cinnamon Toothpaste. So after asking our developer to take care of these things and to make sure that the old URL 301 to the new URL that we're setting up is utilized, so that way any traffic coming in to this product is not severely damaged. We want to ideally not kill what is working. This is a drastic SEO change because of this URL situation. However, it's better to do it now than when we have, for example, hundreds of thousands of visitors per month. So right here, we got information back 20 minutes ago from a developer that he updated the H3 to H1 and renamed the title to Cinnamon Toothpaste, as well as fixed the URL. You can see right here, it's different than the previous one that I showed you here. And he also set up the redirection. So one last thing I want to do is I want to obviously check this work. So I'm going to click into here. And again, because of my lack of how I noted I wanted this part fixed right here, this wasn't done. Everything else looks great for this product. So all I am going to do is say, hey, everything looks good. Just need to remove this text here. And then I already have the image here, and I'm going to hit save. So now he knows that there's just one last little step. The cool thing is I also can tag our customer, are good here, just one small text edit, but URL, but we are set mostly. Right, and boom, I can just update them. They'll get a notification on their phone and their email, things like that. And now they know that we finished this process here. And what I'm going to do now is just move this to review, and it just quickly dropped it there. And what I can do is I can either click here for my new notifications so I can see that this mint toothpaste product, there were some edits done, which is basically the same thing being done. Please refresh the submit. And so apparently this is okay. So this was updated just now. So simply silver cinnamon toothpaste. So instead of it looking like this on our toothpaste collection page, now it just says cinnamon toothpaste. So again, this is a really huge tool for customers and our customers. If you found value in this and you think this could be really huge for within your own business, or if you're like a agency or some type of developer, you want to, gain a little bit more insight to use stuff like this, then schedule a booking or consultation down below. It's totally free. You can do it through our calendar, 30 minutes. We are also offering a free 14-day trial on all of our subscriptions, mainly our SEO, as well as a 90-day money-back guarantee. So basically what that looks like is if you are unsatisfied with our work, you are not finding value in our work, the updates that we're doing on your site, things like that, then we'll of course fully refund your money. So again, just click the link below, schedule a free booking, and we'll talk later.